Hello 3Commas traders, and welcome back to another video. My name's Jared, and I'm a 3Commas representative. Today, I'll be going over why 3Commas is a far superior trading platform than any exchange, and why it should be one of your go-to tools when trading cryptocurrency. From more trading tools and abilities to automation, 3Commas has you covered. When you trade on an exchange, you're limited to the options and tools that they have on their website. If one of your trades or bots are not performing well, you will know it. You will see this information wherever the deal or trade is located, and you will be able to take whichever necessary action you'd like with it. And vice versa, you will know when your trades and bots are killing it. All of your trade data is recorded, along with its past data and future goals or stop losses. It will be updated in real time and allow you to easily and accurately monitor what's going on with your funds. It's more difficult to see how you're performing and make corrections when you're trading on exchanges because most of them aren't geared up to provide you with advanced trade analytics. For example, TradingView charts. 3Commas offers analytics and easy-to-interpret charts to view your trade performance and bot status. These charts are provided by TradingView for 3Commas users to be able to use without an account with TradingView or a subscription to their services. You're able to apply indicators to your chart, drawings, make measurements, and much more. You can't always extract the maximum potential profit from your trades. Exchanges don't offer the trailing options we do here on 3Commas. For example, trailing stop loss, trailing take profit, trailing buy, and trailing sell. These options allow you to set a percentage for the trade to start trailing at. When a trade starts trailing, it will not close the deal until it moves in the opposite direction at a set percentage. As you can see in this example, when a trade hits its target profit percentage, it proceeds to keep the deal open as it rises, until it drops, for this example, 1%. Once it drops that 1%, it will close the deal. This ended up allowing this deal to close for a 9% profit instead of a 5% profit, since trailing take profit was enabled. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and there is a lot more offered on 3Commas, including breaking even options to prevent losses, safety orders to help you handle trades that are not in your favor, automated trading for the smart trade section using webhooks on TradingView, and much more. Come check them all out for yourself using the link in the description. You miss a ton of opportunities to make a profit when you trade manually on an exchange. Automation allows you to scale your successful strategies by leveraging powerful bots. Using any of our provided bots, you can successfully make a profit without having to do much managing of the bots on your end. We have DCA bots which you would set up with your deal start conditions and other settings. Click Start, and it will continuously run for you non-stop based on the set of rules you gave it. You can also link your 3Commas bots to TradingView to allow for custom signals to provide yourself directly from TradingView, offering you the most customizable experience in automated crypto trading you could find today. If this all sounds too complicated for you, we have some other options, such as copying other traders' bots and strategies, or even just using our smart bot to make the trades for you. You would only need to select the exchange you'd like to use, the amount of funds in USDT, and lastly, click Start. This bot will run for you based on a set of rules approved by our team of specialists to provide you with a profitable but safe trading strategy. Also, why limit yourself to one exchange or switch between interfaces? It can be a hassle to have many tabs open and a calculator by your side to figure out how all of your accounts are doing. Why not see them all in one spot? You can use 3Commas to trade simultaneously on all of your crypto exchanges and unleash your bots to find the most profitable deals on the markets at all times. Your bots would have the ability to run non-stop 24/7, while you do other things in your life that may be more important to you, such as hanging out with friends and family, working on other projects, or watching other types of markets elsewhere. Let 3Commas take over so you can prioritize the things that you want to do most. That's going to wrap up this video on why you should be using 3Commas. You can find more helpful sources in the video's description, including a link to all of our supported exchanges and how to sign up for each exchange. If your question still goes unanswered, our live support team is available at any time of the day and can be found on our websites. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us, and as always, happy trading!